In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an attachment in a channel in Discord. Whether you accidentally uploaded the wrong image, shared the wrong file, or just want to clean up your channel, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Discord tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your web browser and go to the server where the attachment was posted. Then, navigate to the specific channel where you uploaded the image or file. This can be any text channel where attachments are allowed. Once you're inside the channel, scroll through the conversation until you find the attachment you want to delete. This could be an image, a video, a document, or any other file you previously uploaded. Now here's the key step. Hover your mouse over the message that contains the attachment. When you hover over the message, you'll notice a small set of icons appear in the top right corner of that message. These icons give you additional options for managing your message. Look for the 3 dots icon, which represents more options. Click on those 3 dots to open the Message Actions menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several options depending on your permissions in the server. If you uploaded the attachment yourself, you should see the Delete option. Go ahead and click on Delete. Discord will then show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove this message and its attachment. In the confirmation window, click on Remove Attachment or confirm the deletion depending on the version of Discord you're using. Once you confirm, the attachment will be permanently deleted from the channel. Just like that, the file is gone and no one in the channel will be able to access it anymore. Keep in mind that you can only delete attachments from messages that you've posted yourself, unless you're a server admin or moderator with permission to manage messages. If you don't see the delete option, it likely means you don't have the required permissions in that server. And that's all there is to it. That's how you delete an attachment in a channel in Discord quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.